circles. I'm gonna leave that black. Just a bit too blue. Okay, you know, that's probably good on this now. Okay, I'm gonna put those all back for now, but yay us. If it's there, remind me. Oh yeah, back to this. Okay, let's see. Oh gosh, and there's fur on it. I can vacuum twice a day, guaranteed. Okay, you know, I'm gonna try this Hello Happy. And where is my... I'm just gonna grab a piece of wax paper. So I've got that and Loved and Joy. Sometimes he was at that stage. He is now. Okay, and I'll save the hearts. Okay, that's good for that. And again, is this the right? Nope. No flare. Okay, what else? Let's go back to teal. Okay. Wrong blue. Well, that goes. If I can pry off the sentiment, thinking of you, I might somehow try to, oh, or is that too girly? I'm going to put it in. Somehow I'm going to try to do something with there's 3 pictures there. I'm going to try to build something. So we've got that. Now, will the rest of these little guys show up? Depending which pictures I use, yes. Okay, I'm going to put them all in because there's yellow there too. And there's yellow. Okay. And what else do we have? Okay, I think that's good. And again, let me grab some more Dougie bits. Oh, I've got the mint colored little bones. Okay, I'm going to grab 3 of those. And I think we'll call that one done. Okay, I think that's that one. I don't want to get too much in here because I have a feeling I'm going to be doing something with the clusters, using these as the bases. So we'll see where we get to with that. Okay, that's number 8. You know, I had so much stuff a few years ago, and I had a whole storage room downstairs pretty much full of goodies, and I sold a lot. And the only thing I really regret now selling, well, 2 things. I had the Heidi Swapp mink machine and all the foiling stuff. I kind of wish I still had it. And what was I going to say? Oh, my alcohol inks. I had every one of them that Tim Holtz had, and all the alcohol that you use with it, and the sprayers, and you name it. Okay. Oh well, I can just buy back colors I want, I guess. I don't need them all. Okay, so here's another doggy. Sorry, guys. You won't see these all in a row either. So I just pulled this out too. What I was thinking is this one right here. More hexies. And I was getting into the situation. I thought, well, I'm not going to be using that. So I'm really only got one side. I'm going to need 2 or 3 different colors for the hexies. So I have that. I could, we'll see. And this will be the background so I can cut some of it. I just thought I'm going to throw it in if I need something a little extra. Can always have a little bit of wood grain. Okay, so again, hexies and all about playing. Oh, actually, if you look, who is this one? Oh, Rebecca Lockhart scraps. She's actually even got a little circle, like a wreath almost on top. That's kind of cool. So that could be more dog stuff. Dies, that's what I'm thinking. Hang on. Dog. I could cut a whole wreath of more doggy bits. Do I need... I could mat my picture on... I could trim it down a little bit and then mat it. Okay, we'll do this. And then use dog embellishment for wreath. Okay, good. I don't think I'm going to add any of it right now. What else? I'm going to maybe leave this one just simply because I'm not sure where I'm going to go now that I see the wreath part on there. So that's a good start. I had made myself a note to remind myself what I could do, or what I was thinking. Okay, that's number 9. So we've got one more for this video. Oh, and there's some paper I am just so glad to get rid of. I feel like we've done this already. Can't remember. What are the... Oh, right. And I've already made myself a note. I printed 4x6s of this, and there's one of the mom and dad. But look at his little onesie. Does that not match or what? Perfect. There's 4 black photo corners. As I was doing this yesterday, I threw them in. And I am going to be using this one. I didn't mark it, but it's kind of a neat concept. And I like this, 2 pictures in one. I've never done a design quite like that. So I think I definitely am going to want those other pictures. And I just realized now too, I like the banner in there. Okay, I have a banner die. If I think of grabbing it right now, if I've got time in this video, I will. Title. Now, again, I think black will be great on this. We've got beautiful, hello, enjoy, today, sweet life. Does that work? Sure. We're going to say it does. Again, I don't know about this paper. This doesn't really do much for me. But I like that. So that's okay. Just never know. Could all end up in a different bin. Am I sure I haven't done this already? Gosh, I feel like I've done this. Well, maybe we're going to have two of the same. Who knows? Now that I see this, not really feeling it. Banner die tag. Okay, I need a creamy colored tag, and I feel like baby can have a doily. Oh, look, I've got all those too. Okay, I'll go through that. I've cut my own out of dies. I've cut lots of those. Maybe that's what I'll use. Do I have two the same? No, so far that's 4 different ones. What's on over here? Okay. 2, 3. I really like this one. I've got 2, 2, 3. Well, let's keep digging. What's in this one? I bet I have more. Oh my gosh, some of these. Oh, these are there. There. Okay. Good for now. So there's 3 of those. I can put these all back. Oh, I know what I'm thinking is, yeah, it was a different, her twin sister's baby. That's the layout I've had in my mind. That almost looks gray. No, especially when I have lots of the creamier color. Okay, she's got 1 banner. I'll probably bring out 3 because I like things in 3s. And what else? What else? There's some little clouds. Do clouds work? I don't know why I'm thinking that with a baby. Ugh, they're white anyway, so no. Okay. Fine. What else in here? Flowers and fabrics and bling. Okay. So this is, yeah, the mom. No, this is the other sister. Sorry. Getting them mixed up. But we can do pearls here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I think there's 10 there. But that's fine. Okay. And what other colors? The yellow. I think everything I have in yellow is just too bright. Well, I may as well bring out 3 of those just because it's cute. And is that too bright? I don't know what I made this for, but it's so sweet. You know what? That actually, it's a bit bright. I'm going to save that for something else, but it's cute. Okay, so no to that. Oh, but I will need yellow twine. Right? I can change that out. There. And black while I'm here. Okay, so I've got doilies. I've got bling. That's enough bling. Or would a few black be good too? Sure. We'll just throw in some of these smaller ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I can get in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoop! And somebody went flying. And I actually see it. That maybe just because it's black, because man, when those things go, I'll never find them. There. Okay, that goes, that goes. Anything else black? Thoughts, a frame. What do you think of the frame? I'm going to put it in. I don't know yet what for, but we'll see. A ticket, a ticket. Oh, I like the baby butterflies. Those are cute. I'm going to put one there. I was going to say this might be Vicky Boutin, but I'm not sure. Oh, you know what? I'm going to throw the whole thing in this. Remember this, documented, so thankful. This here and now. I'm just chucking it in. Perfect. And what else is in here? I've got black buttons. Those, oh, black and gold hearts. Probably getting a little too much little stuff here. And why not? Okay. Again, I think we might be finished. Should I just take a peek through my minty aqua real quick? Would there be any? No, wrong color. That's cute. The pink is just not going to quite go with it. Okay, no, I think we'll call that one. Oh, and the banner die I will go get right away. The Sweet Life. Okay, I think that's it for this. This is part 2. And there looks like there's 7 or 8 left. So I will do another video for that. And again, I did not touch any of this. Hang on. Let's see. No. Well, maybe I'm okay this time. See, I still have not only all of these loose things, but I've got lots of different papers for I could mat with. And then I've got this whole thing full of, I made these little folders. That was a Janet Madison RTS. She made those one time. I thought those are brilliant. Ugh, is that close enough or not really? No, not really. Well, there you go. I'm not going to use it then. How about that? You know what? I'll probably put that in as a mat. I'll cut these and then I'll probably mat again with something else. But there, let's at least try that. Okay, I'll see you for part 3. Thanks for joining me today. Please subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you have any tips and tricks on filming, angles you'd like to see better, anything like that. And let me know if you're enjoying these. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Bye.